Hello everyone, Daiki here. Last year was a complete disaster on pre-orders. The supplier failed us with so many great statues and figures, from Eevee Family by PC House to even some Miku PVC scale figures. To make up to you all, let's open a super cool looking Pokémon statue made by Crescent Studio. This statue is named the Legendary Birds. This is a pretty big statue. I had to get help to unwrap all the pieces. I will try to show them one by one and assembled. Starting with the base, this one has LEDs that I'll show later on. There's a micro USB connector and an on and off button on the back of the base. Under it, there's the studio logo and the statue number. This one's number is 203 out of 206 statues made. There's this huge water effect. He has a big magnet that will connect to the base. The other magnet on the way will hold Lugia into the piece. Next, let's attach this chunky piece of fire. It also has a huge magnet that connects into the base. The temple piece is quite amazing. Love the paint job, it gives an old look into it. Also the art on the piece is quite amazing. This part is where we will hide the little Pikachu. It has 4 connecting points and stands perfectly on the middle of the base. This statue has so many pieces and attaching to be done. I think they made it like this so the risk of breaking pieces in shipping will be reduced. A big wind effect piece that attaches into the fire piece with a magnet. Two smaller wind effects that also have a magnet each. They are super easy to locate and attach to the base. Lugia has a huge body. The arms are also huge. She attaches into the water wave with a huge magnet. I like to always stick a bit of blue tack into the holes so the pieces don't wobble and fall with time. The paint job is super clean, the details are amazing, the birds look super well done. Now let's assemble Articuno. He connects with a tiny metal rod on the right wing. His chest fur looks super fluffy. I feel like petting him. Now, with the claws and tail in place, let's attach him into the base. Next part, the temple roof. This piece is so astounding, the details are spot on. The colors blend perfectly together, it sure reminds me of an old Asian temple. Attaching 2 more effects pieces, the fire effects is made with clear resin, it looks amazing. Now let's assemble Zapdos. He brings his claws and head on separate pieces. The coloring looks nice, his tail is super spiky. Also on his tail is the metal rod that will attach him into the base. We're only missing 2 more birdies, let's attach Moltres next. His flames look insane, the clear resin is so pretty and it blends super well with the yellow parts. Moltres also needs to attach the claws and the tiny flame on its head. With everything in place we can attach it into the bigger flame piece, it connects into his fluffy butt side. Last but not least, our big and mighty Ho-Ho. It looks good overall. I'm a huge fan of this green, looks really cool and contrasts perfectly with the other colors. With the wings now in place, we can have an idea of the size of this amazing bird. I'll show you the statue with the LEDs on with light and then in the dark. The statue also has sound, it's mostly the bird's cry and a little background music. Sadly, I didn't find the origin of the music. If you know where it's from, let me know in the comments below. This statue brought as a bonus a Pikachu cosplayed as a Lugia. It's a super tiny figure but it's so adorable and looks amazing. It also brings a wall scroll that I displayed on the wall of my bedroom. With all shown, I'll give you some overall looks of the statue. There's a lot happening on it, but I really like the scene that it creates. Pokémon statues bring a lot of color and cheer to the collection. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, it helps me a lot to bring more awesome unboxing for you all. Thanks for watching and see you very soon. Bye!